may matututunan kang importanteng lesson sa puzzle na ito. 8 minus 4 is equal to 61. Move only 2 sticks para maging tama ang equation. You may also consider changing your perspective para masolve ito. Pause this video and give it a try. Then kapag ready ka na, keep on watching for the solution. Ito ang solusyon natin. First, gawin nating 11 ang number 4. Next, gawin nating minus sign ang equal sign. Then, equal sign ang minus sign. And this is now the answer. But wait, alam ko ang iniisip mo. 8 equals 11 minus 61 is not a correct equation. Para makita natin ang correct equation, kailangan natin palitan ang ating perspective. What I mean is, turn your phone upside down, and you will see it. Ngayon, meron na tayong 19 minus 11 equals 8. Which is a correct equation. Tandaan natin na kapag na-stuck tayo sa isang problema, consider changing your perspective. And this might make all the difference.